Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data with WP Engine, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer data with WP Engine, begin by logging into your WP Engine user portal. Navigate to the environment from which you want to transfer data. Select the Backup Points option from the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Backup button to create a new backup of your current environment. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once your backup is ready, select the Download option. This will download the backup file to your local machine. Next, log into the environment where you want to transfer the data. Go to the Backup section in the new environment. Click on Upload Backup to begin the transfer process. Select the backup file you previously downloaded. Wait for the upload to finish. After the upload is complete, click on the Restore button. Confirm the restoration process to initiate the data transfer. Monitor the progress until the restoration is completed. Once finished, review your new environment to ensure all data has been transferred successfully. If necessary, you can perform additional tweaks to configurations or file permissions. Finally, check the functionality of your website to ensure everything is working smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.